Really?
You see how she's responding? Talking again. She's back. She's back.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, Nanny, settle down. I know. I know.
She's making you mad. Okay. That's all her. She's listening.
Okay, Nanny. Okay. Such a sweetheart. I know. I know you're serious. Where's Isaiah? Where's Isaiah?
Hey.
Oh, that's a
Okay,
first,
okay.
huh?
I'm getting in trouble. Okay. So she started. You're getting me in trouble.
I survived the whole week. Can you imagine that? I look forward to retiring already. I have 3 more years. Man.
Hey, Ev.
What?
How's your day, Ev?
Well, steady. Yeah. Hey. Alright.
Oh.
What's going on here? Well, steady. Almost done. Yeah.
So, Ev, tell me, how was your day?
Really?
How was your day, Felicity? Yeah, you don't want to
Were you
share?
off today, Matt?
Yeah.
Did you ask for it or?
They gave it to me. So I could get my things together.
Hey, Ev.
Okay. You're getting me in trouble.
There's chicken nuggets and chili. If you guys like.
Okay.
Right here.
Hoorah.
Felicity.
Some of the fries.
Felicity. What's that noise?
My phone.
Oh.
Her ding
Yeah.
calling again.
That's your phone?
Sounds like that because the keys are in there.
And where?
My pocket.
Oh.
Felicity.
City.
Is this dessert?
Yeah. Try it, it's good. Hey, Ev. Hey, Ev.
Right.
I love you, Ev. If I have something to tell you, Ev,
Right.
I love you. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo.
Get mad at Tico. Yeah, see.
Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo.
Want to get her bottle ready?
Huh?
Want to get her bottle ready?
What do you say? Hey, not yet. She's just finished eating. Not yet. Wait a couple minutes later.
Listen.
Dude, Ev. Stop it, Ev. You stop it, Ev.
What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing? Come to wait. Come to wait. Come to wait.
Princess.
Mm. Mm. What are you doing? Mm. Sitting. Mm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Kaylin works all the way up to 9 o'clock tonight.
Why?
Some kind of
Listening.
Zumba activity.
Listening.
Mm.
Listening. Hey.
Did you say, Evan, you're going through Japan or?
Oh no. Hawaii.
That's a better route because Hawaii. I mean, going through Japan it's so long. But if you're in first class, you won't feel it.
Really? Why?
You don't feel it.
Really?
You're just so
Yeah.
comfortable in first class. For your leg room like this. And
Economy, oh boy, you feel the right. I'm sorry to tell you that. But you're going to Hawaii, so
Yeah.
that's good.
Still pretty bad. 8-hour flight.
7.
That's
Oh,
why when
yeah,
Mr.
7.
Roberto, when he
Mhm.
travels, oh boy, he'll pay for the upgrade.
From economy?
Yeah,
Honey.
you know, with, like the
Hey,
military
handsome.
would pay the economy, right? So you
Yeah.
just pay the difference.
How much does that usually go for?
Sometimes, depending on where you're at, you
Mhm.
go from like 100 to 3, 4, 5,
Wow.
depending where you're heading out to.
Hey, Ev.
Mm.
Hey.
Listening. Almost done. One more. One more. Okay. One more. One
Mmm.
more.
Mmm.
And she's all
All done. All done.
done, baby girl.
All done.
All done, baby girl. Hey.
You're out there for how long again?
About 4 months.
4 months. Oh, you'll be back, yeah, you'll be back before we go out there.
Oh, you guys are heading out again?
In March, I think, he has a trip out to Georgia.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Would you